Here we have a very large antique pine wardrobe, this one dating from about 1910, and it's got two drawers with wooden knob handles at the bottom. Just a little bit of carving on the sides. Nice panelled sides, as the doors are panelled as well, which you'll see in a second. Now this one does completely dismantle for delivery, which is just as well because it really is a very large piece of furniture. And a fully working lock and key with original key plates here. Now inside you'll see that the two sections do have a partition. Now we will put in a new brass hanging rail for you here, but as you can see with the frames here, this has had adjustable shelves in before, so again, up to you. We could put adjustable shelves in one side and hanging rail in the other side, or hanging rail in both sides, or indeed I suppose shelves in both sides. The doors do open fully wide with the external hinges. The code number for this one is J0400F. The price on the bare wood is £1,100, and if you'd like it wax polished, it's £1,247. The height is 86 inches, 70.5 inches wide. It's 28 inches deep, and the internal depth where you hang your clothes is 22 inches, which is very deep indeed. So any size of clothes, including large coats, will be absolutely fine.